Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Ashurov channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below if you like this educational video. Today we're discussing about borax. People think borax is only good for detergent and cleaning, but there's other people who use borax for different purposes. One of the purposes that they use it for is when they are dealing with arthritis. All you gotta do is you take 8 ounces of glass of water and a small pinch of a small tablespoon and mix it inside the glass. And what the results you get after 30 days, you'll have a better feeling from your arthritis. It's going to improve your arthritis. You're going to have more boron, more magnesium, and you'll be more relaxed sleeping. You can sleep better. It also increases testosterone levels. So this thing has a lot of different benefits, and the way to absorb this into your body are 2 ways. The first way, which I explained to you already, you take a pinch of 1 small tablespoon, mix it in an 8-ounce glass of water. The second way is you need to wash your clothes manually. Put half a glass of the borax, mix it in like a container or a bowl of clothes, rub your clothes, clean your clothes like the stains. And when you do that often, your skin, which is the organ, it's gonna absorb that in. And when you're gonna do the blood work, you'll have iodine, you'll have magnesium, you'll have many minerals and vitamins going inside your body without taking the vitamin supplements, because this has many minerals and vitamins and magnesium all inside of this thing that they saying it's used for only detergent. But you can use this for the bathroom, you can use this for laundry, you can use it for the kitchen. And this company's been around since 1891. And people recommended this to me many times before. And there was a story that this used to be in the lakes of Tibet and the banks. On the side of the lakes, there used to be like a foamy type of foam. And so those foams were the borax. And there was a story about a woman that she used to wash the clothes with the borax. And out of all the women, this woman, her bones were strong and firm, and she had never had problems with arthritis or osteoporosis, where the other women in the village did have problems because they weren't using the borax to wash their clothes. They were using a different type of detergent. Also with the borax, you can mix it and put it a little bit for plants, and the plant would grow faster. What else? So it helps sleeping, it helps arthritis, it cleanses your stomach. Don't take too much of it. You just need to take a pinch. Just a pinch, a small tablespoon, and a quarter of the small tablespoon in an 8-ounce glass water. And I hope I'm clear with everything. So it is a multi-purpose. It's also a stain remover. It's a cleaning product. But like I said, you can use this as a a mineral and vitamin supplement to improve your life if you have arthritis on your shoulders, on your legs, and if you need more magnesium to your body. This has a lot of magnesium. I hope this channel was very helpful for you, and I hope you come back to my channel. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you until next time. Thank you.